Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have an iconic 1965 Ford Thunderbird. It's finished in red with the red interior. Lots of great options on this car. Our consignor unfortunately had a stroke, so we was kind of forced to sell it. It's kind of sad when that happens. It runs and drives beautifully. Super straight body. It's got a 390, loaded with options, power steering, power brakes. Power top works flawlessly. Power windows, power locks, they actually work too. This model has a swing away steering wheel. These cars were so ahead of their time. Even the clock works, look at that. They're usually right twice a day. World's Flare plates, fair plates are included on this car. 64-65. Kind of gives it a cool look. I think he has 2 more hubcaps that are included. The motor was also rebuilt, so it runs and drives super nice. Beautiful straight body. Really love the swing away steering wheel. Such a jet age inspiration. It's got a slight exhaust leak by the manifold. It's an easy fix. Interior is in super nice shape. It looks original to me. Including the door panels. Sills. Back seat. Got the original style belts as well. That's the old weather mats. Love that wheel, how it swings away like that. He also has embroidered carpeted floor mats. Love that speedometer. Showing 54,746 miles. I'd say that's original. Car has that feeling. Added tack. Also a custom vintage sound system. It works. The locks actually work. Dash is in nice shape. Decent shape. It's got this carpet over it. There's one flaw here. Those are easy to replace. I think there's something here too. Let's see. Not too bad though. Run you around the block. Let's show you the motor first. 390 under the hood. It's not the original motor, but it's been rebuilt. It's got about 10,000 miles on it. New Motorcraft battery, power steering, power brakes, new alternator. Really runs and drives nice. Here, the exhaust is coming from one of the donuts, I think, on the driver's side. Easy fix. Obviously, you can't fix it because of this condition. Nice car. Let me run you around the block real quick. gonna bring the top up too so you can see that. Drives super nice, very comfortable car. It's great, plenty of power. Turn signals and everything work really good. It's running nice and cool. Such a nice, honest car. I love that barrel speedometer. Such an innovation from the day. Pull over here so you can see the top in operation. It's such a feat for the day. It's all one switch here. It's got some new parts in there. Doing the hydraulic lifters and the motor, some other items too. Works beautiful. Love the worm screws and stuff in operation. Really a one-touch deal. Now that piece comes up. It's a hole. A lot going on here. No leaks in there. Everything works beautiful. Very cool. Boom. And that comes down, pulls, and drops down. And then the worm screws lock it in place. Trying to spin it right there. Cool. Nice clear back window. It's gonna be polished out too. That's it. Windows work great as well. Interior lights, both sides. Looks like they've been replaced with LEDs. Swing away, it's a nice deal. Such a cool car. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Hit me up. Check out my website, weebyautos.com. Give me a buzz, 631-339-0399. And talk to you soon. This one's priced to sell.